38, please. Number 38?
I was 38.
38, come on up,
Yes,
sir.
yes, you gotta be fast. You gotta be fast.
Welcome to Sybil's.
Thank you very much. So let me have a Guyanese chicken patty.
That's that.
Yeah.
The chicken patty. Tell what you think.
It's beautiful. This is mom's recipe, right?
Yeah? Yeah. My name is Vibert Cookie Bernard. Here at Sybil's Bakery and Restaurant, which is like the beginning of the business district on Liberty Avenue. So my mom's name is Sybil Bernard. She started this business back in 1978. It was kind of drug-infested area and really run down. And now it's totally transformed into a beautiful community. And I feel proud that we were part of bringing it to where it is today. My mom is of Indian descent, but she grew up in a mixed-race home. And she also has siblings that are of Chinese descent. So she's learned all these ethnic dishes, and that's what we bring here.
When you were coming up, did your family used to come out to Sybil's, and this is one of the staple places,
Yeah,
right?
you come out here to get bread, and
Yeah.
on weekends, always come out to Sybil.
So what do we got here?
This is the dal puri.
Ooh, it smells
And,
so good.
Like that, stuffed with yellow split peas.
This comes from the Indians then, right?
Yeah.
Look at the curry goat. Oh, wow, it smells amazing. And when you cook for your own community, you gotta be on point.
Yeah, you gotta be on point.
Because people come in and they're like, oh no, my goat curry is better than that.
Yeah, you gotta pull them away from that.
The blood pudding comes from England or Scotland,
Yeah.
I believe, right?
Is it pig blood, right?
Beef.
We don't use pork in our restaurants,
Yeah.
period. We have a big Muslim community.
Yeah.
And we try to make everybody welcome.
Feel comfortable and welcome, yeah.
In Guyana, you know, everybody eat each other's foods, mostly.
But growing up, we never said this is Portuguese or this is Irish.
Right.
Or, this is all Guyanese food. This
What is that?
Pepper pot.
The pepper pot. That's a native Amerindian dish. We have the regular beef parts in there, the oxtails in there. And then we add other things, you know, the spices, and we add also hot peppers to it. The Amerindians use this extract of yucca, we call it kazrip. And that's our main ingredient in there, pepper pots. It's predominantly a Christmas dish mostly, but we have it all the time here because
People want it all the
people
time.
want it all the time.
Yeah. You have any bread?
Yes, we have the bread to go with it,
Yeah.
sure. As you say in Guyana, this is the boy for the girl.
Wow. Almost like a challah or like
It's like a challah bread, yeah. It's
Yeah.
like a challah bread. It's called a plaited bread. When I came here, we were eating Wonder Bread. This bread is one we started out with originally in my mom's home, too. My mother migrated to come to make a better life for us in this country. She had no choice but to leave us. 9 children living in a little shack with no parental guidance. I was only 12. My dear uncle, Neville, came and rescued some of us, took us to his bakery, where we worked very hard. So eventually my mom got all her children here. We all lived in the basement, 9 of us. She said, you guys know how to make bread and stuff, so let's make some and sell to our neighbors. The recipes that we use now are the recipes that my uncle taught us 45 or 50 years ago.
The next generation, how do you make them understand the hard work and the hustle, and do they get it? Or is it, what do you think?
If you never lived in poverty, you don't even know what it is. So you know, if you have, you don't want to go back.
Wow.
The children here, they've never really lived in poverty, some of them. So they know what they know. It's not their fault. They're all right, they tried, but you know, they would not dig as deep as I would because I'm trying to dig from a way down, right?
That's a good way to put it. And now, by the way, you've been in business for 30 years. Wow.
Over 30 years.
Over 30 years.
Yeah, for 40 years. 40.
Congratulations.
Thanks a lot, man.
And the food is good. This is my favorite so far. Pepper pot.
Yeah, really?
Especially dipping it with the bread. And by the way, bless your mom, I'm glad we're not doing it with Wonder Bread. I'm glad we're not doing it with Wonder Bread.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you very much.